Let me tell you the description of a false god. False god is this: anything or anyone you put above God in your life, anything that takes place in your heart, your priorities, and your trust. Ang false god, probably karon mahimo nimo siyang money. You rely on that money more than God. And probably ang god nimo karon is a relationship. I had a friend. Let's call this friend Janice. Sa Bisaya para Janice. Okay, Janice sa para social. Kani si Janice, a long time ago, gibulagan ni sa iyang uyab sa una. Can you see the hands of the people na gibulagan sa uyab? Raise your hands. Then, a few weeks sa ilang pagbulag, she realized na grabe nagyapon siya kay love atong lalaki. In love siya kay siya ato. Grabe. So, gibuhat ni Janice as we unsa. Naghubog si Janice. Grabe, naghubog si Janice. Paghubog ni Janice, dito siya nag-inom sa Rizal Park, Digo City. Okay? Kailan mo ano eh? Okay? Pagkabalo sa katong ex niya, naggrabe naghubog ni Janice sa tunga time, atong tawagon ni nga lalaki si Jericho. Kay gwapo mga yung tao si Jericho, di ato siyang park. Tapos yung giato si Janice dito. I-picture, imagine, napaabot ni Jericho dito. Si Janice, brothers and sisters, niluhod, nihilak, and ni beg ana siya kang Jericho, please, don't leave me. I can't live without you. Grabe. Guys, this is true story ha. Di lang ako isulti kung kinsan eh, pero they are here, okay? True story. Imagine na yung babae ni Luhod, hubog kayo, tapos ana siya siyang uyab, please don't leave me, I can't live without you. Now, this picture of Janice kneeling in front of Jericho and telling him that she'll die without him, it's also sound like a worship. Right? Di ba, murag yapon siya worship, but this time, her boyfriend that time was her God. Let me ask you this question. Have you made another person, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your spouse, your child, your parent, or even your friend as your God? Nangahilom na mo. Kay kamo in love po kayo mo. When the other person becomes the center of your life, mahimo na silang imo ang bago na identity. And versa na, imo silang gi-enthrone that human being is your new God. Because here's the truth, brothers and sisters, mo nang tinuod, human beings don't make good gods. Buong si Lord, ana siya, ayaw dia, no, dire ka sa kuha, because I will not disappoint you.